Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install a WordPress plugin from a zip file. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard on my WordPress account, and from here you can go into plugins and install your plugin from a zip. However, what I would recommend first, if you do have the option, go into the plugin marketplace, search for the plugin you're planning on installing. Maybe you'll find it over here so that you don't have to go through the entire process. Keep in mind that for both installing it through the marketplace and installing it via zip, you do need to have a business account, which I do not have, so I can't really show you guys the entire process. However, I will be explaining to you guys in high detail what you need to do. So yeah, just make sure that you look through the marketplace first to make sure that it is not on the marketplace, then download the zip file if it is not and start installing it. Now, to install the actual zip file, what you need to do is go into plugins, either click on it or hover over it, and then go into add new plugin. And as you can see, because I don't have the business plan, it doesn't look like anything. It's just telling me to upgrade. However, if you don't have the screen, if you do have a subscription which you can use plugins with, you'll see a upload file or upload button somewhere here on the screen. You can even drag and drop it onto the screen into WordPress, and it should start uploading and installing by itself. But pretty much you just need to select the file you're planning on installing, and once that installs, you just have to activate the plugin as you would any other installed plugin. And that is basically it. Again, I am really sorry that I couldn't show you guys. However, I don't have the money to install a business plan on my account. It is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.